Hey everybody and welcome. So in this video I am going to be reviewing some hair and also showing you guys how to install tapeins on very coarse natural hair. This review is with Niawigs. They sent me 3 sets of tapeins 24 inches. So we are going to be installing it on my sister. They sent me 3 sets of 24-inch coarse, light yaki, textured tapeins. Now, I just want to say I love the packaging and everything, and I'll show you guys here. You can look at that while I talk. With tapeins, I've seen amazing, like absolutely amazing installs on them, where basically the hair is very silked out and pressed. Let's be realistic. I know these stylists are doing this, you know, for the views and everything. But realistically, there's so many naturals with full flowing hair that don't want their hair pressed to death for a silk texture, almost like they have a relaxer. Some people want to keep their texture. So I definitely wanted to do a tapered install that showed that. This is my sister, and she is 100% natural. She has coarse hair. And we don't like extra press it out for things. We don't relax her edges or anything. She's just 100% natural. So here you guys see the 3 sets of tapeins. You don't need 3. Her hair was very full when we finished. I would say you can get away with 2 if you like. I like the fullness. She likes the fullness, of course, but you don't have to use 3 sets. You can get away with 2. As you guys can see, I gave her a trim. I blowed her out, pressed her once. I did not want to press her, of course, more than that, because we want to keep her hair in this state. And as you guys could see, it blends perfectly with the tapeins. So I really love this texture from Niawigs. It's perfect. Like, it matches. It doesn't have those little dents that you see some light yaki textures have when they're processing it to look like our hair. So I really like that as well. Now, I'm releasing a class for tapeins for you guys to learn at home, for stylists to learn. So I'm not going to show everything, but you guys could see that is a outline, and a very important outline for when you're doing tapeins. And that outline helps the tapeins not show. As you guys can see, the tapein is a very light, black, shiny line across there. And if it's not blended properly, it will show. And if your hair is too thin, it will show. So there's certain things that you have to do to ensure that does not happen. Now, if you're doing tapeins from home, which I always recommend seeking a professional stylist to do certain things for you. Tapeins are very easy to do, but there's a few things that I'm going to share that you need to know. You do not put the tapein all the way at the root. You want to leave like an inch, a half of an inch to an inch out, and then place the tapein. You basically use a rat tail comb to press your hair against that tape and then sandwich it together. There are tapein pliers that you use to press it down. You can use your fingers, or you can use a flat iron. Some people use all 3. So that would be definitely up to you. Also, when you're doing tapeins, an important thing, you do not want to leave out the length of the tapein. You don't want that amount of hair. You want your section to be smaller than the tapein. That way you can sandwich it together and it's not the ends are not pressing against your hair. That can cause breakage, patches, and a lot of other things. So that's very important. And that's another reason why I say if certain things are not being shared on YouTube and free videos when you're ready to do a tapein, I advise you to seek a professional stylist to do it for you. But however, I do not mind sharing these tips. A lot of people can't take classes or anything. So if you get those down pat, you definitely can go ahead and do this install yourself. Also, like I said, with the leave out situation, ensuring you have enough leave out around the perimeter of your hair and laying your tapeins a certain way. The front tapein method I'm not going to show here, but I will be sharing it in my class. That's very vital as well, because in the front it's very important that the hair falls a certain way so that the tapeins are not shown and that your ponytails are perfect. A lot of times we're getting these tapein installs because of those perfect ponytails, those part throughs that look amazing. So you want to ensure that your perimeter and how you lay the tapeins are perfect. So if you cannot get a professional stylist, I definitely recommend you just listening to this video, taking note of the things I said, and you'll be all set. As you guys could see, she had a blunt cut, like I said, and as I put these tapeins in, they're very full. So as soon as I'm laying them there, it's like you cannot see the line of demarcation from her blunt cut. That's why I absolutely love these. And like I said, I've worked with them before. I don't know if I said that already, I'm sorry, but I have worked with them before. I purchased myself for her, for my sister, their other tapeins, and they were absolutely wonderful. And then we decided to do this video, and as you guys can see, it's perfect for naturals. So when they say you need a consultation because if you're natural, it may not be for you, that's not true. Like, it's get the right texture. Don't get like a body wave, a silky look. Get a light yucky texture. You can press it out. You can curl it, and it looks absolutely amazing. So if you're natural, they are for you. Get a light yucky texture like this. I will leave all of Niawigs information in the description so you guys can grab these exact extensions, and you can shop around for anything else that they have there. Now we're going to do the ponytail test so you guys could see, like, she has short hair, but the method that I use is absolutely flawless. Like, you don't see one line of a tapein in her hair, and I absolutely love that. And seeing that her hair is still so textured, everyone thinks this is her hair. Like, people that don't know her, they think it's hers, and she tells everybody it's her hair, so why not? But as you guys could see, I'm going to put it like in a top knot for the ponytail test as well. There is absolutely no tapeins showing with this method. Like, I absolutely love it. And I was not going to start tapeins until I perfected it the way that I knew it should be. So I put some curls in her hair and gave her a little bit of baby hairs, things like that. But she's, like I said, she's 100% natural. She doesn't really use all that stuff on her edges and things like that. I just spruced it up just a bit for the video, but this is perfect for naturals. I did an updo. It's so cute. If you don't put all of those oil sprays, you don't like to use a flat iron every other day for your hair, this is absolutely perfect. So let me know what you guys think. I will be back with more videos. I have been on a hiatus working with my brand and things like that, but I'm here, and if you guys have any questions, just let me know, and I will talk to you guys in the next video.